Hi everyone! As you know, glow parties are all the rage right now, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cake topper using cardstock from the Astro Brights collection that's fun and vibrant but also glows under a black light. The colors I chose for this project are neon and from the Astro Brights collection. They are Plasma Pink, Venus Violet, Martian Green, Cosmic Orange, Lunar Blue, and Liftoff Lemon. I chose to do an offset with holographic paper, which adds a fun touch to an already colorful project. If you're looking for a lot of glow under the light, Cosmic Orange and Liftoff Lemon are really fluorescent and really pop under the black light. Cardstock from the Astro Brights collection not only looks great under a black light, but is vibrant and colorful. Their collection is not limited to only the colors I used in this project, as they have a wide variety of shades and colors to choose from. Enjoy!